How to remove Face ID from Microsoft Outlook on iPhone. Literally, if you want to protect any application on your iPhone running on latest iOS 18, you just need to use your Face ID to lock the application without using a third party, just like this. Now, if you want to remove the Face ID from the application on your iPhone, then here are the steps that you need to take. So if any of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to remove Face ID from Microsoft Outlook on iPhone iOS 18, just go ahead, press and hold the Microsoft Outlook app. Once you press and hold it, locate Don't Require Face ID. Once you click on Don't Require Face ID, you'll be prompted to confirm your Face ID. And once your Face ID is confirmed, or your iPhone passcode is confirmed, the lock on the Microsoft Outlook on the application will be removed. So go ahead, click on Don't Require Face ID. Then focus on Face ID and make sure your iPhone can recognize your face. Click on Try Again. Then once your Face ID is confirmed, go ahead and open the Microsoft Outlook. Then you should see the Microsoft Outlook app opened. So that is basically how to remove Face ID from Microsoft Outlook on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.